Summer is here, and so is the gadgets that make every trip, backyard party, camping, weekend, and beach day a whole lot better. From portable cooling solutions to smart outdoor gear, these amazing gadgets combine convenience, innovation, and fun. Stick around because the final picks are absolute game changers you won't want to miss. Number 12. EUHOMY Bullet Ice Maker IM0010. There's nothing quite like a cold drink on a hot summer day, and with the EUHOMY Bullet Ice Maker IM0010, you need never worry about running out. One button operation makes it easy for everyone to do in seconds. When the water is low or the basket is full, it will be clearly displayed with LED lights. Maintenance is easy thanks to the automatic self-cleaning, and a refillable water tank is well suited for filtered water for clear ice. It continuously produces fresh bullet-shaped ice for drinks, parties, RVs, offices, and kitchens. A bottom drain plug makes cleanup easy, and its compact size fits almost anywhere. Number 11. Flextail Max Pump 3. Packing for a camping trip gets much easier with the Flextail Max Pump 3. This mini device offers a strong air pump plus LED camping light within one package. Weighing only 122 grams, it quickly inflates air mattresses, pool floats, inflatable kayaks, and more with 500 liters per minute airflow. It also lets you deflate your gear, which makes packing quicker after each adventure. The bright LED light can shine up to 49 hours, ideal for camping and disaster situations. It is USB rechargeable, which saves disposable batteries, and also lightweight enough to fit in any backpack for the get out and enjoy outdoor adventures. Number 10. Matador NanoDry Towel. Wet towels are cumbersome to pack and dry, and they tend to be bulky. The Matador NanoDry Towel has the solution for all of these issues with its new nanofiber fabric. It can absorb up to 2.3 times in water and dries incredibly fast. You can reuse it throughout the day without waiting to dry off. In comes in shower and hand towel sizes. It is perfect for beach, camping, hiking, travel, or the gym. It comes with built-in hang loop, which makes drying a lot easier. It also has a silicone case with a carabiner that can easily clip on your backpack. Lightweight, compact, durable. It's a must-have for every summer adventure. Number 9. Beatbot AquaSense 2. Ultra cleaning a swimming pool doesn't have to take hours. The Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra handles almost everything automatically. Its hybrid sense AI pool mapping uses 27 intelligent sensors to map your pool and create efficient cleaning routes. This advanced robot cleans the floor, walls, waterline, and surface, while the clear water clarification system helps improve water clarity. AI debris detection identifies dirt and adapts cleaning patterns for maximum coverage, even around complex pool designs. It also features remote navigation and surface parking for effortless retrieval. The result is a cleaner, clearer pool with remarkably little work from you. Number 8. Jackery HomePower 2000 Plus V2. The Jackery HomePower 2000 Plus V2 makes power outages and outdoor activities a lot easier. This portable shower station packs a 2 kWh capacity and expendable to 12 kWh with extra battery pack. If the power goes out, its UPS switching kicks in fewer than 10 milliseconds to keep your essential running. It can also power your refrigerator, laptop, router, coffee maker, and more. Even you can monitor the battery, schedule charging, and check runtime by using the Jackery app. It is a smart companion for blackouts, camping trips, and life on the roads. Number 7. Solo Stove Smokeless Fire Pit 2.0. Now you can turn any backyard into perfect hangout with the Solo Stove Smokeless Fire Pit 2.0. It is built from 304 stainless steel, so it's tough, rust-resistant, and made to last. Its 30-degree airflow design feeds extra oxygen into flames, hence creating a hotter fire with far less smoke. That means no more constantly dodging smoke while you relax with your friends. It also burns wood efficiently, leaving behind less ash for quick and easy cleanup. It's a perfect buddy for backyard parties, camping trips, and cozy summer nights. Number 6. CamelBak Rogue Light Hydration Pack. In hot weather adventures, hydration is key, and it is easy to get it from the CamelBak Rogue Light Hydration Pack. The water bottle reservoir is integrated into this lightweight backpack, and the drinkable hands-free tube make it easy to hydrate on the go without stopping. Air support, TM. Light back panel and ventilated shoulder straps maintain airflow and keep you cooler on hikes, bike rides, or trail runs. Organized by smart storage compartments, tools, snacks, and other essential items remain organized without adding excess bulk. The reflective accents aid in low light visibility, and the ergonomic compact design is comfortable for hours. It's the ideal hydration buddy for any summer escapade. Number 5. Bug Bite Thing. Suction tool. Mosquitoes can ruin any summer outing, but the Bug Bite Thing suction tool offers a simple, chemical-free solution. Rather than creams or sprays, it gently sucks insect venom or saliva under the skin that is accumulated after a bite or sting. It kills mosquitoes, bees, wasps, ants, and helps to remove small splinters or bee stingers. Just place it on the area to be treated, create the suction, hold it on for a quick time, and repeat as necessary. It's compact, foldable, portable, well suited for camping, the beach, hiking, and family's first aid kits. Number 4. MPOWERD Luci Outdoor 2.0. Lighting up your campsite has never been easier thanks to the MPOWERD Luci Outdoor 2.0. The lightweight inflatable solar lantern features a built-in solar panel, which charges throughout the day to remove the need of using disposable batteries. You can choose from low, medium, high, or flashing LED modes to match any situation. Its waterproof design can stand up to rain and tough outdoor conditions. Built-in hanging straps lets you attach it to a tent, backpack, or tree branch in seconds. And if your phone runs low on battery, it can even serve as emergency backup charger. This compact, robust, and renewable item is an ideal addition to any camping trip and emergency kit this summer. Number 3. Anker Reserve Power Bank. Staying powered during summer adventures is crucial, and the Anker Reserve Power Bank is designed just for that. The large 192 watt-hour battery offers solid backup energy for smartphones, tablets, cameras, laptops, and other USB-powered devices. Compatible devices can be quickly charged with fast charging assistance, minimizing downtime on the go. Bright, auto-switching LED lantern lit for use in camping, road trips, and during power outages. Its small size makes it easy to transport, even with its large capacity. It's a good mix of power mobility, emergency light, and daily dependability. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13. Black, the GoPro Hero. 13 Black makes it incredibly simple to shoot all your summer adventures at a pro level. This rugged waterproof action camera shoots crisp 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and slow motion at up to 400 frames per second. The new HB series lenses adjust for some truly immersive POV, macro, cinematic anamorphic video, and ND filter effects. A larger Enduro battery extends recording time in hot and cold conditions, while hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization keeps footage incredibly steady. Magnetic mounting allows faster setup almost anywhere. Whether you're surfing, hiking, biking, diving, or skiing, this camera is ready for every adventure. Number 1. EcoFlow. Wave 3 Portable Air Conditioner Summer Heat is no match for the EcoFlow Wave 3 Portable Air Conditioner, our top pick on today's list. It cools surrounding air up to 15 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes and offers heating when needed, allowing for efficient use during camping, RVs, tents, vans, cabin, and emergency use. It is a unique dual-duct design that boosts efficiency, with a variety of operating modes such as cool, heat, dehumidify, sleep, auto, and pet mode. It comes with optional battery pack for overnight use, offering comfort at night without the need for external power. And its various charging options are available for added flexibility. Wherever summer takes you, this portable climate system helps you stay comfortable in every season. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in next one.